Hello students, today we will learn how to register for Diksha portal. For that, either you can directly use the Diksha portal URL or you can find the Diksha portal URL on the Google or any of the Explorer and then you can go to the Diksha portal. Firstly, I'll show you. Suppose this is the link for Diksha portal. This is the home page. Here you can see email address and password for those who have already registered. For those who have not registered to Diksha yet, they need to go to register here. After that, you need to select the year of birth. The name of student. You can enter your mobile number or email address. I'm entering the mobile number. Then you need to make the password of minimum 8 characters. Then you need to confirm that password. And then you need to say, I understand and accept the Diksha terms of use. And please make sure that your password also contains special characters, numerals and alphabets along with it. Once you are registered, you will be getting a one-time password on your mobile or email ID which you have entered during the registration. You need to check that OTP and put this OTP here. Then you need to submit it. Now it's ready for you to log in. You can log in and continue using the Diksha portal. Thank you so much.